Hi there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are gonna show you how to install IntelliJ IDEA on your Windows computer. It's super easy, so let's get started. First you need to open your web browser and you need to search jetbrains.com and hit enter. You will land to this website. Now you need to go to scroll down and click on IntelliJ IDEA for Java, and now you will see this download button. Now you need to click on this download button and you will see IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate Edition. IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate Edition is a licensed ID, so we are more interested in installing the IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So you need to click on this exe and click on this download button, so your download will automatically start it. So once your download will be finished, you need to go to your this PC and or my computer. You need to go to the downloads folder. Okay, so once you click on download folder, you will be here. Now you need to right click on this IntelliJ setup and click on run as administrator. And once if it asks yes or no for installing the setup, click on yes. Now the installation pop-up will be like this. You need to click on next. This will be your default installation directory. Click on next, and you need to click on the shortcut option and the bin option, and then you need to click on next, install, and just be patient because it takes some time for installing the IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, and just wait for some time and we'll see. Okay, so installation is done and you need to click on I want to manually reboot later and click on finish. Once your installation is done, you need to go to your search bar and search IntelliJ IDEA, and you will see IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Now you need to click on this and you will see this pop-up. Now you need to click on I confirm and continue. So yeah, your installation is done and we have also tested that everything is working fine. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials on Java, Spring Boot microservices, and stay tuned for our upcoming tutorials on Spring Security 6, in which we will be covering all of the things of the Spring Security with the latest version of 6. And happy coding and thanks for watching.